Everyday foods, ranging from chocolate and tea to berries and garlic, are emerging as powerful epigenetic modulators, capable of subtly influencing gene expression and shaping the molecular processes that determine how quickly the body ages. Unlike medications that target a single pathway, these foods contain a diverse array of bioactive compounds, polyphenol, flavonoids, alkaloids, and organosulfur molecules that interact with DNA methylation, histone modification, and other epigenetic mechanisms. Through these interactions, common dietary choices can enhance antioxidant defenses, reduce chronic inflammation, support DNA repair, and promote cellular resilience, ultimately contributing to healthier biological aging. The most exciting aspect is that these benefits are accessible, practical, and cumulative, demonstrating that the foods we consume daily can meaningfully influence our long-term health trajectory. Cocoa, particularly dark chocolate rich in flavonols and theobromine, has been associated with modulation of gene expression in pathways linked to vascular function, oxidative stress, and neuroprotection. Flavonols can influence DNA methylation patterns in genes that regulate inflammation and antioxidant responses, enhancing the body's resilience to oxidative damage and cellular stress. These compounds also support neurovascular health, which indirectly maintains epigenetic stability in neurons and preserves cognitive function over time. For practical incorporation, choosing high-quality dark chocolate with 70% or more cocoa provides the highest concentration of flavonols while limiting added sugars, making it a flavorful, sustainable daily option for epigenetic support. Tea, both green and black, is another accessible source of epigenetically active compounds. Green tea's catechins, especially epigallocatechin gallate, EGSG, have been shown in both laboratory and clinical studies to influence DNA methylation and histone acetylation patterns, activating genes involved in antioxidant defense, DNA repair, and anti-inflammatory pathways. Regular tea consumption is associated with improved markers of cardiovascular health, reduced oxidative stress, and a more balanced inflammatory profile, all of which reinforce healthier epigenetic patterns. Black tea and oolong varieties, rich in theaflavins and other polyphenol, exhibit similar regulatory effects, making tea a versatile, everyday choice for supporting molecular longevity. Brewing tea lightly rather than boiling vigorously helps preserve the delicate bioactive compounds, maximizing their potential impact. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are densely packed with flavonoids such as anthocyanins, which influence epigenetic markers by modulating DNA methylation and histone modifications associated with oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds protect neurons, cardiovascular tissue, and other organs from molecular damage while promoting the expression of genes involved in cellular repair. Human studies link regular berry intake with slower cognitive decline, improved vascular function, and reduced age-related oxidative stress, suggesting that even modest daily consumption, such as a handful of berries at breakfast or in smoothies, can contribute to long-term epigenetic benefits. Their naturally sweet flavor and high nutrient density make berries an easy and enjoyable way to integrate longevity-supporting compounds into daily meals. Garlic is a particularly intriguing example of an everyday food with epigenetic influence. Its organosulfur compounds, including allicin, have been shown to regulate gene expression related to inflammation, oxidative stress, and DNA repair. Garlic's bioactive molecules can modulate methylation patterns in genes involved in immune function and antioxidant defenses, contributing to cellular stability and reduced molecular damage. Regular dietary inclusion of garlic, whether raw, lightly cooked, or incorporated into dishes, supports systemic resilience and may indirectly slow epigenetic aging by reducing inflammatory stress and maintaining genomic integrity. Even small daily amounts, such as a clove added to meals, can produce measurable cellular benefits over time. The synergistic effects of these foods are particularly noteworthy. While each has unique compounds and mechanisms, together they create a layered network of protection. Polyphenol from berries and cocoa enhance antioxidant defense, Catechins from tea modulate gene activity, and organosulfur compounds from garlic fine-tune inflammatory and repair pathways. Regular consumption of a variety of these foods supports multiple epigenetic mechanisms simultaneously, fostering a cellular environment that is resilient, adaptive, and better able to withstand environmental stressors and metabolic challenges. Practical dietary strategies emphasize diversity, consistency, and accessibility. Incorporating small servings of berries into breakfast, drinking a cup or two of tea daily, adding garlic to cooking, and enjoying moderate portions of high-quality dark chocolate provide a simple, realistic way to harness epigenetic benefits. Consistency matters more than volume, as the cumulative effects of these compounds over weeks, months, and years create meaningful improvements in cellular resilience, inflammation control, and oxidative balance. Integrating these foods into a balanced, whole food diet amplifies their effects, supporting overall vitality while influencing gene expression in a way that promotes longer-term health. In summary, everyday foods like dark chocolate, tea, berries, and garlic demonstrate remarkable potential as natural epigenetic modulators. Through their combined actions on DNA methylation, histone modification, antioxidant defense, and inflammation control, these foods support cellular repair, maintain genomic stability, and slow the molecular processes of aging. By making these accessible and flavorful foods a regular part of daily nutrition, individuals can harness the subtle yet powerful capacity of diet to influence gene expression, protect biological youth, and promote resilience across multiple organ systems. In essence, the foods we choose each day can actively shape how gracefully we age at the molecular, cellular, and systemic levels.